Hi. PDFs don't have any structural information in them. Watch what happens when you try to copy and paste a table from a PDF. You get the content, but no column layout. Small scale, you don't have a problem. There's software that enables you to do these things manually. But you wouldn't want to do 1,000,000 pages that way. Zanran's approach is to get a computer to understand the layout of a page in the same way as a human would, recognizing blocks of text, graphs and diagrams, and tables. That enables us to find and extract tables at large scale. Here's a practical application. There's a US publisher that distributes financial information, brokers' reports, that the publisher receives as PDFs. Their clients can now download the tables from these reports just by clicking on them. The client can then use the data from the table for their own analyses. If you would like to discuss any application, please get in touch. Thank you.